So this jalousie window, which is a door as well, is gonna be gone very soon, in about 40 days. It's a city regulation because of the hurricanes. Okay, that's gonna be gone. So let me show you. I'm gonna open the door. I'm gonna show you the window from the outside. Okay, that's the hallway right here. Check this out. So this is the way it was built in 1969. So it's been 54 years now, and it's gonna be gone. So it's very sad. It's a city regulation because of the hurricane. It's gonna, the one that is gonna replace is gonna be an impact window, outdoor window, and that's this. This is Miami Beach, and that's the port of Miami, Bayside, downtown Miami. So I refuse to change that window. It's very sad, but it is what it is. There's nothing to do about it. God bless you.